Introducing Corporate Training Excellence in Saudi Arabia. Are you looking to enhance the skills and capabilities of your employees? Do you want to drive organizational growth and success through comprehensive corporate training? Look no further. Our company is thrilled to present our cutting-edge corporate training programs in Saudi Arabia. At VoIP Trainers Private Limited, we understand that the success of your business relies on the knowledge and expertise of your workforce. Our tailored corporate training solutions are designed to equip your employees with the latest industry trends, best practices, and essential skills needed to excel in their roles. It's a customized syllabus for Avaya training. We have 30 modules and it's a 5 days instructor-led training with help of our partners in Saudi Arabia. Topics covered: Avaya Aura Solution Integration Product Overview, Avaya Aura Key Components, Avaya Aura System Manager Installation, Avaya Aura Session Manager Installation, Avaya Session Border Controller, Avaya Aura Communication Manager Duplex Configuration, Avaya Aura Media Server Core Integration, Avaya Aura Device Services Installation, Avaya Aura Communication Manager Basic Administration, and more. Contact us for customized professional trainings for Avaya, Cisco, and Microsoft Teams. We conducting training on every month in Saudi Arabia either online or offline with our partners and vendors. Our email ID is info@voiptrainers.com. WhatsApp number is +91 850 88 12345.